Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Todoist for sprint planning. This is your complete 2025 guide. First things first, you'll want to create a new project in Todoist. To do this, just click on the plus icon at the top right of your screen and select New Project. Now, why do we do this? Well, creating a separate project for each sprint keeps things organized, ensuring that tasks aren't mixed up between different sprints. Next up, you'll need to add tasks to your project. You can simply click on the Add Task button, type in what needs to be done, and hit Enter. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each task you enter represents an item in your sprint backlog, allowing you to visually track your progress and maintain focus. Now that we've done that, we're going to assign each task a priority. Todoist has 4 priority levels, represented by flags. Assign the priority based on the task's urgency and importance. This helps us because it allows us to see what tasks need to be tackled first, promoting efficiency in our sprint planning. The fourth step is to set deadlines for each task. Todoist allows you to set a specific due date or even a recurring due date for tasks that repeat. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is completed within the sprint timeframe, helping us to stay on track and meet our sprint goals. Finally, share your project with your team. You can do this by clicking on the Share button and adding email addresses of your team members. Let me explain why this matters. Sharing the project increases transparency and keeps everyone on the same page about what needs to be done and by when. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to use Todoist for sprint planning. By following these steps, you'll be able to streamline your sprint planning process, improve productivity, and ensure successful sprints. That wraps up our tutorial. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.